everyone, thanks for tuning in to Similac's Ask an Expert video series. Here's a great question we received on formula prep. Can you mix powder formulas? We do not recommend mixing different products. Proper mixing, as per manufacturer guidelines, and following label instructions is important to make sure your baby gets all of the nutrients he needs in the right proportions. So, unless your healthcare professional has recommended otherwise, we recommend following the instructions found on the product label. For additional preparation and storage information, you can also visit our helpful section on Similac.ca. The Ask an Expert capsules respond to common prenatal nutrition or infant feeding questions and are not meant to replace healthcare professional advice. For one-on-one nutrition help, you may speak to one of our registered dietitians at 1-855-370-7878. Thanks, and stay tuned for more monthly videos to come.